Hey guys, it's me. Today we will be playing with Play-Doh. I can get these out easily, guys. Ooh. And there's more cheese that we have to do, but I think we can save this for the rest. Oh, there's a lot more. And I have to clean it up. Okay, I think now we should do the pizza sauce. I was about to say pizza, but I don't want to do sauce. I'm going to do more cheese because I like cheese on the pizza. Alright, sprinkle. Oh! I like so much cheese on the pizza. Gonna have so much cheese on the pizza because that's my customer order. So much cheese on the pizza. Okay, start time. One. So one. Okay, so I'm gonna put it on. So I have so much cheese. And especially the cheese. Out. So guys, now what we're gonna do is let me see. Now what we would do is a different color. Get this one. Now we're gonna start with this. I played with this Play-Doh already. Am I touching my sister's phone?
Sure is. Are you continuing to touch it?
This is not going to be good. I'm serious.
So what do you have there?
I have a cookie hot.
Yum.
Did not eat it.
Why not?
It's mine and I'm making a bunch of ice cream. Okay, now I'm getting hungry, guys.
Maybe you can make some ice cream out of your Play-Doh. That sounds delicious.
And what I got from Christmas was an ice cream, like an ice cream bowl. That was from my sister. It's in my school up. It's like, this is like lipstick. It's like lipstick. The pizza's getting good. Okay, that's weird. Oh, it's such a way to happen. I'm joking. I'm gonna put this.
Ooh, oh, so that's the ice cream cone.
So what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna put this. Okay. Ice cream. Well, this. There, I think that's good. No. Alright, so this is so hard to get in.
Maybe you don't need to use all of it.
This is so hard. I'm a little piece back in because I want to be like lipstick.
That's so funny.
If you want, let me peek yummy ice cream. Come to my restaurant.
What's the name of your restaurant?
Everything. Every food. Every food. Its name's everything. So my peas is gonna taste gross, but some people like it. And I just can't smell it right now. Ah! Hey. There. The stomach is big. The piece of stomach is big. Oh, this one's even bigger. It's fatter. Gish!
Ooh, your peas keep getting, look, they're like getting bigger and bigger each time. Put in some big peas.
Oh, that's what this is. Some peas. The peas is ready. And we still have a lot to go. We have 3 more laps. I'm so sad because Mommy.
Yeah.
Daddy's doing that one.
Okay.
You guys are just the best. And so I'm gonna make pizza, more pizza. I'm gonna make some more. I'm gonna make a star. Move out of the way, please. I'll do it over here.
A star for your everything restaurant?
Yeah, there's gonna be some cookies.
Oh, cookies now.
Just gotta cut that. My hands are too big. Oh, I think that was too much. Maybe I'll just put it. Okay. Squish. Oh! I know something. Anyways, you know I put it like I can see the blue. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna call him Mr. Stompus Candy. Mommy, aren't you excited to taste the food?
I'm super excited.
It's gonna taste really good. I'm gonna put it in the oven. Wait, is this too dry? Yes. Now I'm gonna make another one. Another candy star. It's called Everything Restaurant. So there's every food in the they can, if they never tried it before, they can destroy it. Mommy, that I said okay, that. It's good. Jerry's gonna move with my sister. I'm joking. Mama! I'm such a bagel. Bagel. I'm not bagel. Joking. Squish, squish, squish. Sorry. If I cut my finger off, I'm not Ah! Okay, that's just now which one are we gonna make? Will be the cup. Let's do the cup. Guys, I'm back, but I hope you like my restaurant. So can I tell you what I have here? Peas, pizza, candy, the cookies, and ice cream. That's all we have. But I'm gonna have a cookie.
What, chocolate that you made yesterday with your chocolate pen?
Yes. Make sure you smash the like button. Bye.